The 2022-2024 Mitsubishi Outlander uses an intelligent oil life monitoring system, not just a mileage counter. It estimates oil degradation based on driving conditions. When the service due light appears, typically between 5,000 to 10,000 miles, it's time to reset the system after an oil change. To reset, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Use the Info button on the instrument cluster or steering wheel to find the oil life display. Press and hold the Reset button, usually located on the instrument cluster or steering wheel, for 2 to 3 seconds. The system will confirm the reset, showing 100% oil life or a default value. Always perform a manual oil check using the dipstick as well. Ignoring resets can lead to dashboard error codes. The oil life reset process works reliably across gas, hybrid, and PHEV Outlander models. The system uses algorithms and sensor data to estimate oil condition, not direct measurement. Only reset after an actual oil change to maintain engine health. PHEV models may require additional hybrid system checks. Competitors offer app-based resets, but the Outlander currently requires manual operation. Future models may integrate with Mitsubishi Connect app for remote resets and diagnostics. Always follow system prompts to avoid voiding warranties and potential engine issues. The industry is shifting to electric vehicles, but ICE Outlanders will retain oil life monitoring.